Hello everyone. In today's video I'll show you how to add page numbers from a specific page in a Word document. So what you need to do is, first of all, you need to go at the top of your page. I am on page number 2 in this case. You need to go at the top of your page. Now what you need to do is you need to press on layout, and from there you need to press on breaks, and in the drop down menu you need to go on next page. Now that you've pressed next page, you need to go on insert, and from here you can decide where you need to number your pages. You can either do it on the top of the page or bottom of page. For me, I'm going to go with top of page for now, and you need to select which type of numbers you want. I'll just go with plain number 2, and as you can see, it has started to number the pages above. Now it's automatically directed you to the header and footer option, and now from here in the header and footer option you need to go to page number. From there you need to go to format page numbers, and now you can write where you want it to start from. Let's say I just write start from page 1. I'll press on OK, and here I'll disable the link to previous option. And as you can see, now each page number has its specific page. So this is what you do if you need to number all your pages from a specific page.